Hello, in today's video we'll be unboxing an orchid from Orchid John on eBay. And now this is actually a sort of replacement for an orchid that I already have. And I'll talk a little bit more about that later in the video. Yeah, and this is a seedling, by the way. That is why it is so tiny. Yay! I have two of them. Okay, so let me tell you about this. So this is an Angraecum dollii. Now I already have one of these, and I have one of these from Orchid John, but I think I've fried the roots on mine. It's not like wrinkling up or anything. But the roots are looking kind of fried, so that's why I got this replacement. And also I didn't hear about this orchid until I saw it listed on the eBay page. So it's rare, I think. So that's why I really wanted to get another one, and I'm very happy that I got two. So you can see there's a root right there. I can actually probably just pull these out and see how well rooted they are. Okay, yeah, so these are two separate seedlings. Yeah, they have quite a bit of roots on them. I mean, the roots are proportional to the leaves and stem up here, so I'm not too worried about this. And then I am gonna pot this back after the video. And this is just a phytosanitary certificate, I think. It just shows that there's no root rot, nematode, or fire ant in it, because it does come from Louisiana, and they have specifically a fire ant problem, but also these issues as well. So when he does ship you an orchid, you will get this in the box, just to show that. So yeah, here's my babies. Angraecum dollii. I'm going to, I think I'm gonna put them in a smaller grade bark and pumice mix that I have from Lowe's, and I'll put them back in here, and then I'll put it in a clear cup, and that'll be that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.